Today we are going to head over to Custer State Park, and we're going to take the wildlife loop and check out the buffalo and prairie dogs, and they have some pronghorn antelope there and also some donkeys you can feed. This is Nolan's first time ever being on the wildlife loop, and Lila was just a little 2-year-old last time we were here, so I think they're pretty excited to see all that stuff. Our first stop of the day as we headed into Custer State Park was the Gordon Stockade on the shores of Stockade Lake. This stockade is a replica of the original log fort that was built on the site during the 1870s gold rush to protect the Gordon party from Lakota attacks. What do we got in here?
It has a window and a fireplace and a Nolan.
Oh.
And a door. That's pretty much it. There probably used to be furniture in here, but they took it out because...
Do you think you could live in a little teeny weeny cabin like this? I bet a whole family used to live inside this place.
Like a family like as big as ours?
I don't know, maybe.
So
it's pretty dark in here.
Yeah, but does that mean that when they slept it took up the whole entire floor?
I don't know, maybe they had bunks or something? Oh, it's a duplex log cabin. Hi.
Hi. Look, they have like...
Yeah, pretty low. Can you reach the ceiling, Trey? You can't.
Those must be originals, I wonder. They look in a little bit rougher shape. Over here definitely seem like they might be original. The roof is really old. And our camper is more luxurious than these.
I think that these ones are not allowed to go in because they didn't fix them up.
Yeah.
And these ones they did. Because that one's roof is completely collapsed.
Yeah. There's like, yeah, it is. I know. Right.
So I think these ones they just left alone, how they found them. Then the other ones they fixed up so that it'd be safe for people to walk.
Yes, I think you're right.
It looks like Lincoln Logs.
It does look like Lincoln Logs. Yeah.
Smokey says moderate fire danger today. We're at the top of Mount Coolidge, and we're going to check out the view from the lookout tower up here. there is Mount Rushmore, the mountain dead center of the screen.
So Nolan, what you doing? Looking through the hole? What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing.
So sure.
There's the Needles, and next to it is Harney Peak or Black Elk Peak. That's the tallest point in South Dakota.
Dude, what do you have?
A weird beanie.
You don't even know what it is? What if
Yeah.
it bites? Wait, move a little slower.
Get off, get off. Don't smash it.
What is that?
Bite me.
No, it won't.
Bit me.
I don't know, but Nolan was like carrying it around. We don't even know what it is.
Get it on like your,
I'm like,
yeah,
are you sure that thing doesn't bite?
Ew.
It bit me.
Did it? Are you sure? Did it
hurts,
really?
it's fun.
I don't think
I
it
didn't hurt, Lo.
Did it pinch you?
Yeah,
why you say
I don't
that.
think we should be playing with it. We don't know what it is.
Climb under it?
Yeah, but it's just a hill, Dad. Can you go under it?
I guess.
Well, we shouldn't pick them, remember?
What's under there?
Like a million weeds.
A million weeds?
Yeah. Where's Kylie Mama? Like the kind are spiky.
Oh, thistles?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
What is that? Somebody throw something out?
Looks like a cracker.
Yeah. Paper. It looks like it's got its.
For anyone watching this video, we did not give that prairie dog that cracker. Some other naughty tourist did. Oh, look at the mouse. I had to- So we've been driving around the wildlife loop and started taking some of these side roads that are dirt, and we finally found the herd of buffalo. Hi, Mr. Buffalo. Oh, are you a mommy? Is that your baby? Oh, yep. Yep. To cap off our day on the wildlife loop in Custer State Park, we paid a visit to the famous feral donkeys that roam the southern part of the park and brought them a few carrots as a snack. We're in the Custer State Park Visitor Center. It's a very nice visitor center. It's as nice as any national park visitor center we've ever visited. Kids are checking it out right now. Oh no, you're too close. We all got on this scale here and we're half the weight of a cow and barely a quarter the weight of a full bull. That's how big a third the weight of a bull maybe? That's how big a buffalo is. Way bigger than our whole family.
Is that fun?
After an amazing day exploring Custer State Park, which is frankly on par with many national parks, we headed back to our campsite at the Rafter J Bar Ranch. We relaxed around the campfire in the gathering twilight before setting up the movie projector and screen I got the previous Christmas for times like these.